Coming up to it, it's open today. Chrissy, you want to hold it?
Oh, not really.
Oh, yeah.
Don't shake your hand around.
Oh, yeah.
Whoa, get the sign right there. Okay, entrance.
Oh, yeah.
One way.
So where's the other way you come out?
You gotta go in a circle. How do you hear the animal sounds on the radio? Share the road with the bikes. Okay.
Okay, you done with that?
No, you gotta record the whole thing. There goes the swamp. Look out the window.
That's swamp. There's supposed to be alligators.
This is where you go through to see the
alligators.
It say welcome. First time visitors. Returning visitors. What we have to do for the first time?
I don't know.
I don't want to get out. We supposed to get out? Okay, let's stop. She said stop along the way and see what you want to see. If you see some gators. Isaiah, turn on the audio tour so we can hear.
What's that thing? Oh yeah, at Aaliyah's graduation, Brina said, "Oh yeah, that's nice. I never seen one of them. It was a little baby alligator."
Do y'all see any gators? What do y'all see?
We said seawater.
This is swamp.
Yeah, so that's swamp water.
That they be showing on TV are crocodiles and swamp.
I can't hear Rai.
I saw a baby walker.
A baby what?
Baby walker.
You see a baby walking? Lake Apopka North Shore Wildlife Drive.
Right, she's making up.
Oh, that's having it on there.
One way. Notice gators. They is walking through here. Do you see any gators?
Notice alligators.
Oh Jesus, that scares me. That scares
alligators.
me.
Don't feed the alligators.
Ooh, I won't feed them nothing. Don't worry. They finna feed them. Look how they walking through. Oh, okay. Go ahead and play the tour.
Isaiah, I'll hold the picture.
There's the birds. Gosh, this is crazy.
No alligators.
Passing and pull over area.
They the alligators. They try to blend in with swamp.
Can Naraya see?
But all these birds down here.
I told you she'll have to stand up.
Several pullover areas provide visitors a chance to stop along the drive. A portion of the drive intersects with a multi-use trail, and visitors are encouraged to watch for hikers, bicycle riders, and wildlife who share the road.
Ooh. Y'all, we look on this side, this thick old grass. Oh, bird move, almost ran you over.
Agricultural runoff, combined with other factors,
Oh!
the lakes eventually decline. Fields still have
I
pesticide
guess we telling you
residues.
guys, take a picture of the birds.
Y'all see them?
The St. John's River
No.
Water Management District acquired farmlands
Just see
at the Lake
birds.
Apopka North Shore between 1988 and 1999.
He bird
With the goal of
watching.
restoring water quality
I gotta
and
go
fish and
around
wildlife
him.
habitat within the lake, and also the upper Ocklawaha River Basin. While these public lands help protect water quality and storage, they also are home to a wide variety of indigenous flora and fauna. We ask that you do not interact with or remove any plants or animals. Do not go into the fields or canals, most of which have very steep banks. Because large alligators are abundant, all pets must be kept on a leash and not allowed to run freely.
Large
Also, remember to drive slowly to avoid harming any wildlife, including turtles and snakes, with whom you share the road. If you have an emergency, please dial 911. For immediate wildlife concerns, including a wildlife crime in progress, please call the
What's a
Florida Fish and
wildlife crime?
Conservation Commission at 888
Can Araya see?
No. Like that.
Please contact the St. Johns River Water Management.
Juju, you out here with the Gators.
329-4404.
Okay, guys, so I'm gonna pause until we come up on some wildlife.
See, that's just a regular.
No, it's an alligator.
It's a bird. It's some type of red-nosed bird.
Birds don't go underwater. That's
We see some type of birds right there. You see them dipping up and down. It's several of them. Y'all see them?
Yeah, no alligators.
A lot of them right there.
Don't. That's a lot of grass.
Better not run off this road. How do you do that? Yeah, you can. Okay, so we're gonna pull over while Isaiah connects the audio tour to the car. But y'all look at this. Do y'all see this? Juju, what you feel about this? And Araya.
what you doing?
I can see a bird right there, way down there.
You are about to.
Okay, Lake Apopka North Shore. Oops, some paperwork about it. Maybe if I get a little chance, we could read this. But that's the QR code to give you the audio tour. We're trying to get the audio tour out loud, but we can't get it to quite work. Okay, so this is Lake Apopka North Shore. This is the route that we're going to drive. She said it's 11 miles to get straight through. Okay, so we're just going to keep driving and Isaiah figure this out. We don't get out of here by 5. The lady say the gate locks on the other side. And we'll just be spending the night out here. Look at that.
Most polluted large lake following a century of abuse that began in the 1890s with construction of the Apopka Florida Canal. Compounding the problem was decades of residual agricultural pesticides, fertilizers, and treated wastewater discharges. These events led to a substantial increase in nutrients, primarily phosphorus, entering the lake, which triggered a chronic as waters turned pea green.
Oh.
The green water did not allow enough light to reach the plants that live on the lake's bottom, and eventually the submersed plants disappeared. Without this critical habitat, the vast population that Lake Apopka was famous for
We
also
love
disappeared.
our lands and visitors. Please be safe. Maintain social distancing.
Earliest tourist attractions closed their doors.
Wow. Y'all want to do that?
No.
What kind of animals she see back there? She got binoculars and stuff. Oh, brave soul. Brave soul.
The alligator.
No fishing. Oh, y'all. Do y'all see how nerve-wracking this is? Look how skinny the road is.
The large structure on the shore is called the pump house. The pump house, located in northwest Orange and south
Can Araya see anything?
No. See the full
Can't pull. Unplug her Orion so she can see it.
Oh, those are probably gators. Y'all see those spinning circles?
Fish will live.
That's fish, not gators.
Give me a sample.
Gators would have their nose above water since they can't swim underwater.
I see that. I can get sleep. I see that. I see that.
Where?
Oh, there it is.
I don't see it.
Right there.
It's all underwater.
Yeah, it's dark.
Record it.
It's way right there.
It's showing. I can't see from my side. I see them circles though.
Right there. You don't see this little dark. That's the alligator under there swamping.
You see it?
It's blending in. It's black.
I can't see it. Maybe you catch it on the video.
Where is that on the video?
Because there it is right there. It's all blending in.
With the water.
You see it, Juju?
No.
Juju, look on the video.
I see.
Out in the area, we'd definitely not be outside this car. Passing over the area.
Why are you parking?
I'm just trying to see what that sign say right there.
That's still parking.
What that sign say.
No wonder!
Yeah, right there.
Oh, why are you parking? We're about to get killed.
Don't say that, Jewel.
Oh, I feel like that.
We are not.
I'm
We're exploring. You can get out and look. But we ain't finna do that. We finna look from the car. You can see lake lilies in the pond and everything. This is the closest I think we'll ever get.
Yeah.
How about push it? I can see big.
See all the birds out there?
Wow.
Wow, I picked it. I like it that cactus.
This is beautiful. Do y'all see this?
They got a ton of fish out here.
It say no fishing though.
No fish. I want fish like it. I want coast. Why did that some cactus? No, the big fish live in the lake.
So people used to walk this trail. Ooh. Look at him out there. He walking. Oh, y'all scaring me. Oh. Do y'all see him out his car? Do y'all want to do that too?
No. You don't stay in the car.
But seasonally present in healthy numbers are the American bittern, sorrel rail, black-bellied, and fulvous whistling duck.
Must
Some
be
birds
like
are also
you.
abundant and include swamp sparrows, marsh wrens, and, if you're lucky, painted buntings.
Go a bird right there.
There's a lot of birds
He got out and walked over there.
and alligators.
This a thin road.
It's gonna get skinny.
I hope it don't get no skinnier, cause I could barely drive it now.
And look how those cars are far.
Yeah, let me pause.
Yeah, you see it right there?
Yes! What's it right there? Oh, where'd you cut down? Is there enough alligator?
You probably will see some more.
I see an alligator.
Is that a cotton tree?
Cotton tree?
That's a cotton tree right there out your window.
It's not a cotton tree.
What is that?
It's a cattail.
What is a cattail?
They're like these little foam things that form on the end of the rivet lakes. They form in fields.
The roads get skinny.
Mm-hmm. The road is real skinny. Look at that bird. What type of bird is that spread out up there? Huh?
Red-nosed bird. Yeah, red taco.
Yeah, you see something out there?
No, you see others. Some put the color others.
From the alligators.
Okay, alligators. I should go alligators. I want alligator color. Let's have the same thing as people.
I can't see him. I can't see
It's
nothing.
way in the back.
You see it just standing there. Can you capture it? I can't see nothing.
I see it.
Who gonna capture it?
I see it.
I can't see nothing. Maybe because I'm legally blind.
Yep, I see it. I can see it from the phone. Yep. I see it moving.
You can barely see it, but that's a little bump of an alligator.
You got it, Kristen?
It's way down there, but you could barely see it.
You can't see them all.
Oh.
Imagine if this was a park and you think it was.
Oh my gosh, I see that one. Ooh, I see him. Oh my gosh. Ooh. There's two of them.
Yeah, there's another one.
Oh, I see him. Ooh.
Ooh, that's scary.
Yes, it is, Juju.
I should that.
Water on this side and water on that side. Go some type of house up a yonder, whatever. I can't think of what word I'm trying to say, but up there, a bird. Let me stop for the bird. Can you move, please, Mr. Bird? Mr. Bird, please.
Honk.
Come on.
Honk. Honk.
He not gonna move.
Honk your horn.
Honk the.
Bird, we got to get on.
You're about to hit him, just honk.
Yeah. Yeah.
And he goes right back in my way.
Honk again. Thank you, Lord. He's been cut down. What they're doing to me? We're here.
How many miles we going? 5 miles an hour?
I want to see a crocodile.
We don't have crocodiles.
Yes, we do.
Some day.
No, that's
Mom. What is
it's
that?
in Florida, but it's only in that swamp.
The road gets smaller and smaller. Guess you could get out and walk across that bridge.
Well, you're stupid too.
Well,
Oh, they parking.
Listen, salt waters.
They parking right up here. Oh, they got porta potties. Okay, Isaiah, number 3 audio tour. What does this say? This is mile marker number 3.
Ow.
The story of Lake Apopka is familiar to many. The state's 4th largest lake was once a world-class bass fishery, but impacts to the lake over many decades led it to be
This child, she don't want to eat her little frosted flakes. She want to feed it to me.
Construction of the Apopka Florida.
Mm.
The problem was decades of
She
residual
said, Mama.
pesticides, fertilizers, and treated wastewater discharges.
Do not feed the gators.
Substantial increase in nutrients.
I said that's coming.
Narrow bridge.
Oh, man, the control.
And Lake Apopka's waters turned pea-green.
Imagine walking over that
Water
bridge.
did not allow enough
I
nutrients
should
to
watch
live
it.
on the lake's bottom, and eventually these submersible plants
Ooh,
disappeared.
they like this.
Without this critical habitat, the bass population Lake Apopka is famous for also disappeared. With the bass gone, dozens of fish camps.
We stop?
Central Florida's earliest
Where are we going next?
lose their
Like that?
Juju actually want to get out and go to this bathroom. You see
No!
that bird right there? You see him?
Stop it! Drive
How
on
they
the
get-
bridge!
Unless it come through that bridge, they came over there.
Oh. It is so hot out here. Okay, let's continue.
Follow
I
me.
was scared to go take Juju to that porta potty, but he claimed he had to go. There's something right here. Look at that puddling. You see them rings?
Those are...
Those cannot be fish making them big old rings.
That's the water filter.
Why is the girl not
Left turn
talking?
area, no park beyond this park. So I guess you
I'm
gotta
not
go around.
parking. I'm just trying to drive through. Oh, we can't drive through. What the?
No! I said it.
Okay. How do I get out of here?
Gotta go through that bridge without falling.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah, okay.
Y'all, calm down, because now I'm finna get scared.
Why?
You really gotta drive across that bridge? Oh my gosh. Kristen, hold the phone for a minute and record as I go across, because I ain't gonna be able to hold it and try to focus my mind. And how many cars can go across?
Only 50 tons in each car. They're saying try to be safety in crossing the bridge.
And each car's around 3,000 pounds, so maybe like 100 cars or so.
Oh God.
Narrow bridge.
It didn't say, why are they stopping on the bridge? Okay, y'all, please carry on. Carry on.
Weight limit 50 tons.
Where you see that?
Right here.
50 tons. So how much tons is... I need to wait till they get off that bridge. Hold it up.
Which way is?
Wait till he gets off the bridge. Feeding alligators is dangerous and a violation. Sit down. Oh, God help me. Ooh.
Kilo 1 ton is 2,000.
Wait 1 sec, Orion.
I'm lucky today.
How are you lucky? This is crazy. Yo, cereal.
So 100,000 pounds.
Nice.
That's how many cars can
There go a bird out there, Kristen, with his arms spread. I mean wings.
Okay.
It doesn't tell you that you have to go across the bridge.
And it goes left or right.
I don't know which way to go. North Shore.
The lady says, follow the traffic. I'll flush. Are they?
Kristen, your door locked.
I did come.
Yeah, we opened it. You opened it and closed it.
Lock the doors again. Make sure she don't touch that
They're
door.
coming to charge it.
No, don't you touch it, Araya.
Okay.
Sit up on Kristen.
No.
Kristen, get her.
She wanted to just stand there.
I just got Papa.
Kristen, get her.
Well, sit down.
Yeah, sit
I just
down
got
on
Papa
Kristen.
there. Just
Y'all, look at all this danger around here.
that. The road is now getting really scary.
I know, and it's getting really scary. I should have had a dash cam
What's the dash cam?
where that thing can mount it, a dash mount, so I don't have to hold this.
Oh, you're talking about those things that stick around there, and then they can record for you?
Yeah. This is beautiful though.